Hello students, let us discuss about your formula writing process, how to write a chemical formula for different compounds of your class 9 chapter atoms and molecules. So before writing a compound, first of all you have to memorize the valency chart. There are valency for elements, ions, even polyatomic ions, monoatomic ions. So you have to memorize the valency for those ions. So there are different steps and some rules are followed for writing a formula for a compound. Let's start with some examples. First of all, suppose sodium chloride. Sodium chloride. The first step is write down the symbol of the element from which it is made up of. Sodium, for sodium I have written Na, and for chloride it is the ion of chlorine, it is called chloride. So that's why I am writing chlorine for chloride ion. Now write down the valency below it. Valency of sodium is 1, you have to remember it. Valency of chlorine is also 1. So the second step is crisscross the valency just between them. So this valency will be written right side to this, and this valency will be written right side to this. So what? Na1Cl1. This is plus 1, this is minus 1. Charges, sodium ion is plus 1 and chlorine ion is minus 1. This is the valency for. So while writing a compound, symbol for these are ignored, plus minus signs are ignored. So Na1Cl1. So it is understood that if I write Na means 1 Na, if I write Cl means 1 Cl is there. So there is no need of writing 1 1. So it will be NaCl. Okay. So in this way, sodium chloride is written as NaCl. Similarly, hydrogen chloride. Hydrogen chloride. The symbol of hydrogen H. Similarly, chloride Cl, chlorine to chloride, so Cl. So valency of hydrogen is 1, chlorine is also 1. So this will be goes here, this will go here. So H1Cl1, that's why HCl, hydrochloric acid. Let's go another example. This is, suppose hydrogen sulfide. Hydrogen sulfide. So I am writing the symbol first, hydrogen H, and from sulfur to it is sulfide. So sulfur S, which have valency 2. So valency of hydrogen 1, valency of sulfur 2. So this 2 will goes here, this 2 will go here. So now write down H2S1. There is no need of writing 1, so it will be H2S, hydrogen sulfide. That's why the formula for hydrogen sulfide is H2S. Now take another example. Sodium nitrate. Sodium nitrate. Okay. What is the formula for sodium? Symbol for sodium Na. You have already know here. Nitrate means it is a polyatomic ion having symbol NO3. So the valency of sodium is 1, NO3 also 1. So there is no need of crisscross also because one can be omitted. So that's why the number is, the compound formula is NO3. There is no changes there. Let's understand with more examples so that it will be clear. Calcium hydroxide. Okay. So first of all, I will write down calcium and hydroxide separately. Calcium Ca and hydroxide OH. This is also a polyatomic ion having valency -1. So I am not taking plus and minus into consideration. So valency of calcium 2 and hydroxide 1. Instead of -1 I am writing 1. So this will go here and this will go here as a rule. So calcium 1 and hydroxide 2. But these two will be written not in this way because there is more than one element is there. That's why with a bracket sign it will be written. Because for total OH it is 2. Similarly, one can be omitted, so Cl OH whole 2. There is no need of writing 1, so CH whole 2. This is the calcium hydroxide. We will go further. Carbon tetrachloride. Carbon tetrachloride. For carbon, I am writing C. Chloride, tetra means 4, mono means 1, di means 2, tri means 2, tetra means 4. So there is for 4 numbers of chlorine ion, it is added as tetra. So this is the chlorine ion, chloride. So carbon has valency 4 and chlorine has valency 1. This is plus 4, this is minus 1. So I am writing just 1. Okay. So this one will be go here. This one, this 4 will be go here there. Now I know C1 Cl4. There is no need of writing 1 CCl4. Okay. Could you follow this? Now next, come to the next example. Magnesium chloride. Magnesium chloride. For magnesium, I am writing the symbol Mg, and for chloride, I am writing chlorine Cl. The valency of magnesium 2, chlorine 1, just write down Mg1 Cl2. This will go here, this will go here, Mg1 Cl2. One can be omitted, MgCl2. Okay. Now come to the next example. Aluminium oxide. Aluminium oxide. For aluminium symbol Al. Oxide is from oxygen. Oxygen is the element and its ion is called oxide. Similarly, chloride from chlorine, bromine from bromide from bromine, like this. So I can write here oxygen because oxygen ion is called oxide. The valency of aluminum is 3 and valency of oxygen is 2. This is plus 3, this is minus 2. So I am taking only 3 and 2 here. So 2 will be written here and 3 will be written here, Al2O3. So this is the final formula for aluminum oxide. So To know these 2 and 3, you have to memorize, no other way is there. Now come to the next example. Calcium oxide. For calcium I am writing Ca, and for oxygen I am writing O. Calcium is valency 2 and oxygen valency 2. Okay. So another thing is there to be noted. Here there is 3 and 2, both are prime number, so there is no simplification of this can be done, but here simplification can be done. It can be drawn to lower terms. So if there is SCF between 2 valency, you have to go to the lower terms. So 2 1 ja, 2 1 ja. So Ca1, first write down 2 2, write down here, Ca2 O2. Now you have to go for lowest term, 2 1 ja, 2 1 ja, Ca1 O1, 1 can be omitted, CaO. Okay, could you follow this? Now come to the another example, so that will be clear. Sodium carbonate. Sodium, symbol Na, carbonate, CO3. So sodium has valency 1, carbonate has valency 2. So 2 can be written here and 1 here. Na2 CO3 whole 1. 1 can be omitted. So the bracket can also be omitted. Na2 CO3. There is no need of writing 1 here because CO3 is 1 CO3 is there. The last one is ammonium sulfate. Ammonium sulfate. Ammonium means NH4, is a polyatomic ion having valency 1, and sulfate is also a polyatomic ion having symbol SO4 having and valency 2. So these 2 valency will be written right side to this, and this 1 can be written right side to sulfate. So NH4 whole 2, because there is more than one element, so bracket will be there, and here also more than one element is there, so bracket will be there, but 1, there is no need of writing 1, so this bracket can be omitted, but this bracket is necessary, NH4 whole 2 SO4. So this is the ammonium sulfate. For this video, this is the end of the video. Thank you.